Seedance 2.5 is live. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 in 4K. Then switch to any other Seedance for 7 more days. This is huge. You'll start off with 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 in crisp 4K quality, and then you can switch over to any other Seedance model for an additional 7 days. As you can see right here on screen, Seedance 2.5 is just insane. The sheer quality and detail we're getting with this new model, which officially opens up in 7 days, is truly, truly astonishing. Just take a look at how smooth these preview clips are. There is no weird morphing, no awkward visual distortion, just clean, pure, high-end AI video where every single detail looks absolutely perfect. It generates ultra-realistic AI clips, making this a massive upgrade from what we're getting with Seedance 2. Honestly, this is going to be a complete game changer once it's fully out, mostly because of its incredible generative capabilities. Beyond just realistic videos, it can handle so much more, as you can clearly see on screen. We have a side-by-side comparison right here of both generations, and it gives you a clear, in-depth look at just how good Seedance 2.5 is shaping up to be. If you take a closer look at this side-by-side, you'll see that Seedance 2.5 does a significantly better job than Seedance 2, even when you give them the exact same prompt. Not only do you get sharper, higher quality generations, but we can also generate much longer AI clips, now up to 30 full seconds of continuous AI video. Just look at the difference between these two models. Seedance 2 is already exhausted and finished, while the generation we made with Seedance 2.5 is still actively running. That alone is a massive win for anyone using AI for filmmaking and content creation. If you check out the progress bars on the two models, it's super obvious that Seedance 2 gets exhausted way faster, while Seedance 2.5 keeps running effortlessly. This is shaping up to be the longest AI video generator with true 4K quality out there, and Seedance 2.5 is definitely set to be a huge game changer across the entire AI landscape. Don't miss out on this deal. Get 14 days of unlimited Seedance on Higgsfield, starting with 7 days of unlimited Seedance 2 and 4K, and then switch to any other Seedance model for 7 more days. Your Seedance 2 access starts immediately, and Seedance 2.5 unlocks in 7 days. The link to access this platform is down in the description below, so make sure to click it and check it out for yourself.